in this video I'm going to be reviewing some Primark makeup. Here they are. So I've recently been to Primark and I saw this new Nudes collection. Now I don't know how long they've been in there, but I do know that they are relatively new. So I hadn't seen them there before, so I was curious to see what they were like. And so I picked up these two items. So there's an eye kit and a lip kit, and they look stunning. The lip kit says that it's a high shine lip gloss and lip liner, and those are the colours there, which I'll show you in a minute. And it says on the back, nothing. I can't give you any information about it. It's called Mesmerize. Oh, the colour is called Mesmerize, I know that, and it costs £3. No, it doesn't say anything about whether it's long lasting or nothing. It just tells you lip gloss and lip liner, and that's it. So it's £3 and it's called Mesmerize. So I'll just show you what it looks like in here. Gorgeous, gorgeous colours. So I'm actually wearing the makeup now, so what you can see on my lips is actually these products. Colours are down here, so the bottom is the lipstick and the top is the lip liner. So the next is the eye kit, and this is in shade Naked Ambition. So it's like a mushroomy taupe silvery metallic colour, and it says here metallic eyeshadow cream, eyeliner, pencil and precision applicator, and that's what that looks like there, and that also costs £3. So I'll just get that out. So we have the pencil, the eye pencil, and that's what the nib looks like. And the colour is there. You can see some squiggles on my hand there. That's the actual brush. Get my face, that's the brush. So, and then this is the actual metallic cream eyeshadow. You can see in there. There you go. And that colour is at the top there. So you can see the shimmery metallic-y colour. So these are the items that I bought. I didn't go for eyeshadows, which I normally would have. I've gone for something a bit different. So I thought, well, these, you know, cover my eyes and my lips. So it'll give me a really good idea about what Primark makeup is like. I think I've only ever had a small eyeshadow palette and a blusher palette, I think. I'm not sure now, which are lovely, really, really nice. But I haven't tried any of their other items. So if you're interested to see how they apply onto my face and my thoughts and everything else, then carry on watching. So I've done a lot of the makeup already. So I've got my foundation, I've got my concealer, blush, bronzer, and I've done my eyebrows, and I've put a little bit of lip gloss on as well, just to prepare my lips. It's the Skin Chemist one we received in Look Fantastic for March, which is quite nice. It's more like a treatment for your lips. So I thought, yeah, that would be nice in preparation for the lip kit that I'm about to try. For eyeshadow, I've just gone for a really quick, smoky, like plummy, purpley colour, just from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. So you can see though, those are the colours there. So I've mainly used just these here with a little bit of darkness just in the corners. I've also given myself a bit of a crease cut as well. So where you can see the lighter colours in the corner, I have used concealer and I've just buffed it out. I've really blended it out. So it just lightens up that area a bit to apply this makeup. Not really sure what I'm going to do with the eye pencil because it's quite a pale one, so I'm thinking maybe I could smudge it out underneath my eyes. I think that's the way to go. So as you saw at the beginning, this is the little pot and that's the brush, so I'm just going to be applying it on top of the concealer. First thing I notice, which is really annoying, is that when I put the brush inside, can you see in there? When I put the brush inside, I want to go in quite flat, but the only way I can do that is if I go on the actual edges. So you're actually gouging into it, which I don't like. It's a shame because things like this would be so much better if they were slightly bigger and flatter, so much easier to put on. But no, what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to grab a bit like this. I'm going to put it on my hand. Exactly the same sort of process I use to do a cut crease, where I put the concealer on my hand first and then I apply it like that. Brush is quite hard. It's okay, it's alright. Right, not much of a colour. Not much of a colour at all. I'll just zoom in a bit. Ooh. Just blend that into the outer corner. On first application there's not much difference whatsoever. Not really. Can you tell? So I'll let that one dry and I'll put some on this eye. I thought it would be quite metallic and it would really, really stand out. Yeah. What do you think? Can you see a difference? It's like, yeah, there is a metallic sort of look to it. I will zoom in and I'll show you now. It's set quite well. It's not completely dry. It hasn't dried down completely. I think I would like to put like a silver powder on the top just to make it, you know, a bit more vibrant, but I'm not going to do it because this is a review on this product. Yeah, I thought the colour intensity would be a lot more. It's not. It doesn't look much different to what it looked like before I applied it. Slightly more grey tinge to it. First impressions, I'm not that impressed, really. It's alright, but it's not amazing. I'm going to try now. I might add a little bit more underneath my eyes in a bit, but I'm going to try the eyeliner. So, what shall I do? Right, I'm just going to follow my lash line. Oh, that is so hard. It is so hard to apply without much colour payoff. Oh, I really wanted to like these products. This colour is stunning. It looks beautiful, and I had, you know, a vision of it being really, really nice, and it really stands out. No, it's not happening. It's not happening. And I'm pressing quite hard as well on my bottom lashes. There. Can you see a difference? Nope. Not much, not much. Maybe a slight little shimmer. So I'm pressing to the point where it's starting to become uncomfortable, and that shouldn't happen with a makeup product. No, it shouldn't do. It's quite heavy as well. This pencil is quite heavy, but oh, I'm gutted. Come on, come on. There. Can you see? I'm going to try my waterline, so I'll just clean the nib on my hand. But again, the colour is not that great on my hand. It's not coming out that good. The colour is pretty, but it's not coming out. So I'll try my waterline. There you go. Definitely nude. To the point where it won't make much difference to your makeup whatsoever. Alright then. No. This pencil is absolutely useless. I'll never wear it. I'll never try this again. It is useless. It's such a shame. Actually, I might give it to my daughter and she could use it like as an art pencil or something, because it's too hard. It's too hard applying it onto your skin, and the colour is not vibrant. It's not really showing up whatsoever. In certain lights, I can see a slight shimmer, but not much whatsoever. This metallic eyeshadow cream, it's so disappointing. It is so disappointing. I wanted something, you know, especially a metallic cream that would really stand out. Unfortunately, there's nothing there. It looks good. The packaging is great, but no. Doesn't do much for my eyes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some mascara on. I might put a wing on just to see what that's like applying on top of this, and then I'll come back. There, so I've just finished off my eyes, and I did try a winged eyeliner, and it was a bit difficult. It was really difficult, but yeah, I just thought my eyes just needed a bit more definition, and then I just put some Bad Girl Bang mascara on then by Benefit on my eyes. So no false eyelashes today, but yeah, I don't know. My eyes to me look a little bit washed out. Never mind, never mind. Fingers crossed that this lip kit is going to save the review. Come on, come on, come on. Same pencil, very, very heavy. Same pencil, exactly the same. So, yeah. Let's hope that it's easier to... Yes, it's a lot nicer. Why can't the formula be exactly the same? It feels nice and soft going on my skin. No pressure whatsoever to get the colour out. There it is there in the bottom corner. Nice, really, really nice. Oh, the colour is beautiful. Oh, I love it. It feels nice on my skin. There you go. So those are the two colours down the bottom there together. They are gorgeous and they are darker than that I thought. Right, I got high hopes. So I'll zoom you in a bit. Yeah, it's not too bad. It takes a while to actually apply onto the lips. It's quite pale as well, but it's fine, and it feels nice though. It does feel nice. Yeah, it's quite a nice colour. Very, very natural. So let's try the lipstick. My worst fear is that it's patchy. I don't like a patchy nude. No, it's nice. Really nice. I like the size of the double applicator. I like the size of the applicator tip as well. So you can get right in. There. Always on my teeth. Always. I love that. I absolutely love that. It feels nice on my lips and the colours are really nice. I got it on my lip teeth again. Flipping heck. Right, zoom back up. So my first thoughts after trying both these products are, I'm not going to use the eye set again. The pencil is way too hard. Hardly anything comes off on your actual skin. And yeah, it's just too much hard work. The metallic cream eyeshadow, oh, it's a bit of a letdown. I was expecting more. It has given me like a slight metallic grey, silvery sort of sheen on top of my eyes, but not a dramatic difference. There's not much there. Both these products aren't that great. They are part of the Nude Collection, so I'm aware that they're supposed to be subtle and not in your face, but still I would have liked to have something a bit more standoutish, but unfortunately it's not. The brush is nice though. I'll keep the brush. Always handy to have a brush like that. Then the lipsticks feel gorgeous on my lips. They feel really nice. I really like the colour. I know I love these. I really do love these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go off now and I'm going to go about my day as I normally would, and then I'm going to check in at the end of the day just to give you a bit of a lowdown about my thoughts on these products and to let you know how long these lipsticks last. I mean, I'm not expecting to look like this when I come back, but you never know. You never know. They might have real strong staying power. So I'll come back in a couple of hours and I'll update you. It is now hours later and I really should have come back a good few hours ago, maybe 5 hours ago or such. It's about 8 o'clock at night now. Obviously, my lipstick is completely gone, but what I noticed is that even though it felt quite tacky, it did die down to a sort of matte finish, which was really interesting, and it stayed put. I mean, I went through lunch and drinks and everything like that, and you could still see it, and it didn't come off all patchy either. It just came off quite nicely then, and not patchy, and no ring around my lips or anything like some lipsticks do. So yeah, as far as the lipstick's concerned, I'm quite impressed. I really like the colour, I like the feel in it on my lips, and it did last pretty good. It did, you know, not amazing. It's not a matte lipstick as such, but it does last quite well. So no, for £3, yeah, I'd buy these again. As far as the eyeshadows, well, you know, nothing's changed since I applied them earlier on. So yeah, a bit of a letdown, and yeah, a bit of a waste of £3 as well. So no, 50-50. So have any of you tried these before? What are your thoughts, and do you have any preference? Are there any better ones of these eye kits in Primark that I should be aware of, or I should look out for next time I go? Or maybe not. I don't know. But no, I'll be interested to see what your comments are as well. So if you like this review, it'd be lovely if you left me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel. I've got lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.